Hey there, dear viewers! In today's video, we'll be talking about the importance of maintaining pancreatic health. We all strive to lead a healthy lifestyle and protect our bodies, don't we? Well, in this video, you'll learn how to keep your pancreatic health in check. The pancreas is a vital part of the digestive system and serves many crucial functions in our bodies. However, unhealthy eating habits, stress, and other factors can negatively impact the pancreas. So what can you do to maintain pancreatic health? Here are some tips. Establish a healthy eating regimen and consume foods that are beneficial for your pancreas with a balanced diet. Green leafy vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, and healthy fats can support pancreatic health. Additionally, steer clear of unhealthy fats, processed foods, and excessive sugar. Remember, a healthy lifestyle also ensures the health of your pancreas. Engage in regular exercise, manage stress, and get an adequate amount of sleep. All of these steps can help you maintain pancreatic health. If you're keen on preserving your pancreatic health and overall well-being, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the insights we've prepared for you on how to maintain your pancreatic health. We've compiled a list of 12 healthy foods that are very beneficial for the pancreas. Garlic. During periods of pancreatic fatigue, inflammation can occur, prompting the question of what helps pancreatic inflammation. Garlic, with its antibiotic properties, promotes the healthy production of enzymes necessary for the pancreas. Aim to consume garlic both raw and cooked. Cinnamon, known for its antioxidant properties, is one of the answers to what helps pancreatic pain. By consuming cinnamon as a spice, in drinking water, or sprinkled over yogurt, you can maintain pancreatic health. Cinnamon helps protect you from pancreatic inflammation and pain. Echinacea. You can consume echinacea by drying it and making it into tea. Alternatively, you can use dried echinacea in salads and dressings. Regular consumption of echinacea tea is recommended for those experiencing pancreatic pain. Juniper berry. Juniper berry has a detoxifying effect that helps alleviate pancreatic diseases. Regular consumption of juniper berry, with its richness in vitamins and minerals, ensures healthy enzyme production. Yogurt. To prevent pancreatic diseases, it's recommended to consume probiotic foods. Yogurt is one of these foods. When homemade, yogurt assists the pancreas in functioning healthily and prevents sugar storage in the body. Consuming one portion of yogurt with each meal prevents pancreatic inflammation. Spinach, a source of iron, is one of the foods that prevent pancreatic inflammation. When thoroughly cleaned and washed, spinach serves as a cleansing food for pancreatic inflammation. Broccoli, containing dietary fibers, is a vegetable that aids in the adequate secretion of pancreatic enzymes. Consuming fresh broccoli during its season prevents the formation of pain and discomfort in the pancreatic region. Mushrooms are easily digestible and are recommended for pancreatic patients. Since it's advisable for pancreatic patients to choose low-calorie foods, paying attention to mushroom consumption is crucial. Black grapes are a fruit that purifies the body. If you're suffering from pancreatic disease and experiencing pain and discomfort lately, you should consume black grapes in either dried or fresh form. Black grapes assist in cleansing pancreatic ducts, offering you a healthier body. Sweet potato. Consuming sweet potatoes is recommended to maintain pancreatic health. As a healthy carbohydrate, sweet potatoes regulate the enzymes produced for the pancreas. By regulating blood sugar levels, sweet potatoes assist the pancreas without overworking it. Lemon. You'll need vitamin C to cleanse the pancreatic ducts. You can easily obtain this vitamin from lemons. By consuming lemon frequently, you can cleanse your body of harmful substances, preventing sugar from being stored as fat and maintaining pancreatic health. Thyme, used to flavor dishes, both fresh and as a spice, has the task of cleansing pancreatic inflammation. Those who consume thyme are at a lower risk of developing diabetes, and their pancreas functions more healthily. To maintain pancreatic health, it's important to avoid certain harmful habits and foods. These include smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, overconsumption of red meat, excessive intake of fatty foods, consuming foods high in sugar, refined carbohydrates found in baked goods, fried foods and beverages containing artificial sweeteners. Avoiding such foods and habits is crucial for preserving pancreatic health. Take care of your pancreatic health for a healthy life. Remember, by subscribing to our channel and liking our videos, you can support us. Don't forget to follow our channel for more information on healthy living and nutrition.